Good afternoon. I'm Meteorologist Anthony Sambucci with Anthony Sambucci Weather Update. Please follow AnthonySambucciWeather.com. That is my weather blog, and that would be great. I am no longer in New York. I am in Florida. I live in Boca Raton now, and this is the program I am going to. This is the Rosenthal School of Marine and Atmospheric Science. I'll be starting classes next week, pursuing my Master's of Professional Science in Natural Hazards and Catastrophes. So going right to the weather story, temperatures in the 90s here. It's hot. We have that easterly wind off the ocean. And yes, I am in Florida now. I'll be away from New York for a little while. I'll be pursuing my master's here in Florida. For those of you that are curious why I'm down here, that is the reason. So tropical activity is on the rise. It looks like we could see some showers from some moisture over the Bahamas. That could come in tomorrow for the area. 80s and 90s, so hot and humid conditions continue. Usually that will last another month or two until about October, November, where it really starts to dry out and cool down here. Monday looks like nice weather. This is taking a quick look at your solar eclipse. This is the 2017 total solar eclipse. It'll be starting in the morning out west. There it is in Oregon. And then slides through the middle of the country, then heads out to the southeast at South Carolina about 2:30 to 3 p.m. So that's the total solar eclipse. Please wear the glasses, and definitely a sight to see. You're going to want to see the solar eclipse Monday. Weather looks good for our area. Watch out for the showers and thunderstorms. That will especially return as that Invest 92. I'll show you in a second. That will come into the area either as a weak tropical wave or a depression or storm, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. So I'll be back with another weather update at some point next week. I'll be going to class Monday to Friday as school begins again. So there's the weather up north. A cold front slid through the other day up north, but it's much better now. There's those showers and thunderstorms slowly starting to form. More likely that tomorrow will be a lot more stormy across southern Florida. So just looking at the NAM, we see that there's not too much activity to speak of today, but the tropical activity and the heavier rain showers and some windy conditions possibly coming in Sunday, but possibly coming in early to mid next week. So that's Invest 92. It's quite weak. The odds of it forming are just dropping every few hours. There's a storm back there in the middle of the ocean. But there's many other waves that are now coming off the Cape Verdes, as that's the season as these easterly waves cross the ocean, form, and could potentially hit the U.S. So here's Tropical Storm Harvey. It's 40 mile an hour. It is facing a lot of dry winds and shear, but possibly a strong tropical storm to a weak hurricane could affect areas around Cozumel, Cancun, Belize, and parts of Central America. So please keep an eye on this for early next week. But Invest 92, there it is. This could be a system that either will stay together or be sheared apart, and see this tropical wave affecting Florida in one way or another with some heavy rains possible. So that's about it. I am now in Florida. I'll be here for the next several months. So please continue to follow me, AnthonySambucciWeather.com. I will now be reporting from southern Florida. I live in Boca Raton. I'm pursuing my master's. So once again, thank you everyone. It's been a great summer. It's time to go back to work, to go back to school, and pursue those jobs and pursue those dreams and just try to make moves, you know? So once again, thank you everyone. Please follow AnthonySambucciWeather.com. From New York, now in Florida. Please follow AnthonySambucciWeather.com. Thank you everyone. Enjoy your August, enjoy your summer, and enjoy the weather.